Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you my new little plant haul. It's a very small plant haul, but it's something I've been waiting for quite a while. So let me share with you first these ones, and then last will be the good one. So this one is, I think it's the Wing of Angels. I don't remember the name. It's a begonia maculata. So it says, it's a pretty one. I like it very much. It's in front of my window now. And I got this string of turtles. I hope I have good luck on this one, but I love it. It does look like little turtle shells. Very, very pretty plant. I love it. I said I had to have it, so I've caught it. And I got this here also. It's called red emerald, I think. I got a cutting from someone, and it has roots, so I'm gonna put it in soil. So I guess it's called red emerald because of the stem. It's kind of reddish. So yes, I got that, and a philodendron pink princess. This one and the begonia, I got it from New Brunswick. These two. It's big. It's not small like the small one that I have down here. This is really small. It's not the same size, but look at this. This is beautiful. And yes, she had to come with me. So beautiful leaves. I mean, gorgeous leaves. Look at the color on them. It's just beautiful and breathtaking. I love this plant. Is beautiful. Don't I love them all? Yes, I love them all. I'm gonna make a video on plants that I don't have luck with soon. All right, and I got this. Okay, guys, I don't know what it's called. There was no name tag. It just said bright light. It's really long, these little things. It's not the same as this one that I have up here. I think this is a string of bananas, and I don't know what string this is. It's really long. They look like long little beans. So comparing to this one, it's small. See my finger? And this one is big. Sorry for my fingers. I'm just repotting. So my fingers are nice and full of soil. Okay, so that is this one. And it's going to give me some blooms. You see those little balls? Yeah, they're going to bloom. The one that I've been wanting all my life is here. The Thai collection. I know many of you maybe have it already, but I took long. I got it for my anniversary. My husband bought it for me. It had 4 leaves. Well, it wasn't open, the 4th one, but now it's finally open. Look how pretty it is. Pretty. And the leaves, white stuff on it, white stains. I just adore the stains, the white stains on it. I have the Deliciosa Monstera, the normal green one. And this one I got from Facebook. My God, many of them are so expensive, but I managed to find this one. She was so reasonable with the pricing, and well, she teach me how to grow it and how to care for it. And I'm just in awe. Every time I see it, I talk to it. I'm sorry, but I'm going to start talking to my plants. My youngest son told me, Ma, don't forget, plants have feelings. You have to talk to it. I'm like, okay. Yes, it's true. I know. I've always heard this saying. I'm so happy with my plant. It seems to have opened even more. Like it's happy where I put it because it's in front of a very bright, the back door. It's bright here. I'm just excited to have this in my hands finally. And the next one will be the elbow. Stop it, girls. You always want more and more. Where are you going to fit everything? I know, but there's always space for one more. There's always space for one more. And my son's is like, again, more plants. Hey, plants is life, guys. Jeez. So this is my small plant haul I wanted to share with you. I also got some cuttings from the philodendron micans. I will show you that. Okay, so I got the cuttings from the philodendron micans. Why? Because I did have before, right? Well, I seem to be having an issue or a problem in growing them. I don't have problems with the pothos or with the other philodendron I have, the heart shape. I have no problem with the Brazil. You can see over there. The Brazil one, I have no problem with that one. But for some reason, I'm not having luck with this one. But I'm not giving up. The same thing with the string of pearls, also the same problem I have. But I'm not going to give up. I'm just going to get another one and another one until I get what's the problem, what the issue is. But for some reason, it kind of, all the leaves fell off. It just was with just the stems and they look kind of dead-like. So I said, you know what, I got rid of it. So I went to the same lady. She sells like the cuttings and she sells them at a very reasonable price. And so I decided to go back to her. She was still selling them and then she gave it to me. So this time I'm going to leave them over here where the monstera is, the Thai collection, let me say. And I'm going to leave it in that corner instead and just see what happens after that, because my Brazil likes it there, so maybe I'm gonna leave this one here. So I'm just waiting for it to root. So that's what I got. Anyways, my friends, that is my little plant haul. I hope you enjoyed my excitement because I'm so happy to get my Thai collection. It is so precious. So precious, precious, precious. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.